Why should you care about brand management, and how can you include it in your digital marketing strategy? Hi, I'm Troy with StratDev Digital Marketing, and today we will be answering those questions. Integrating brand management in your digital marketing is very important for keeping and gaining new long-term customers. The way you manage your brand is the basis for everything you produce. If brand development isn't in your strategy already, you should definitely implement it. Translating your brand to digital can be difficult though if you don't know what you're doing. That's why today we will be going through some steps to begin managing your brand and understanding why those steps are important. So what is brand management? Brand management is the process of analyzing one's own company and using the information to improve brand perception over time. When brand management is done right, a business can gain customer loyalty and enable the price of products to go up as the company grows. In digital marketing, brand management can be utilized to maintain consistency, spread awareness, and ensure efficiency. The first component of brand management is organizing your voice and messaging as a brand. Great brands are consistent in their messaging and create a culture around what they believe in. Without consistent messaging, a consumer may find it hard to trust your business and may find themselves confused. In order to create this value-based communication, especially in the digital space, a company has to display their culture all over their platforms. Techniques like social media management and website development can help you create content and visuals that coincide with your brand ideals. StratDev has the ability to assist you in this area by managing your social media and developing your website so the content and tone of voice is consistent throughout. Another significant part of brand development is analyzing what your brand already has to offer and where it stands in the eyes of the consumer. A brand cannot even begin to recognize itself unless it understands its customers and what they want. Customers are what the company and brand rely on. They're the ones that buy your product and help you continue your company journey. Understanding your customer allows you to bridge an emotional connection that will resonate with them in the long term. To do this, a company needs to have analytics set up and a good interpretation of them. Studying your target market and implementing strategy to connect with those customers is something StratDev is highly experienced in. We examine your audience and set up a plan to reach other people with similar interests and strengthen the bond between existing customers. Lastly, a key part of maintaining a strong brand presence is making sure the customer journey is as fluid as possible. Consumers don't want to scour the internet for your information or click on multiple links just to find what they are looking for. Customers want to trust in your ability to give them what they need when they need it. They want to know that your brand is one that is established and recognized across various channels on the internet. Search engine optimization is one way that this connection with the customer can occur. By doing keyword search and on-page optimization, SEO puts your brand at the top of the search list and transmits your content all over the internet. All of this is significant in developing your brand and should be set up on your interfaces by a reliable source. Here at StratDev, we specialize in SEO in order to increase page ranking and build trust in your brand. Whether your company is on the journey of developing a brand identity, repositioning itself as a brand, or is an established brand that needs ongoing control, StratDev can help you better manage your brand development. SEO, social media management, website development, and tracking analytics all contribute to growing your brand and building a better relationship with your customers. If you need help in any of these areas, contact StratDev Digital Marketing today at stratdevdigitalmarketing.com. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe for more digital marketing tips.